How to invite someone in Japanese? How will you grant permission to do something in Japanese? Find it difficult? Be with me and I'll show you how. Hey guys, welcome to lesson number 3 of Basic Japanese Grammar. In this lesson, we're going to talk about some more advanced rules of grammar, or you can say some high-level grammar rather than lessons 1 and 2. We will see how to grant permissions, invite someone in Japanese, and allow someone to do something. But before that, make sure to check out lessons number 1 and 2 so that you can understand lesson number 3 more easily. So, let's get started. But wait, before we get started, don't forget to download the PDF file in the download section. Subscribe to the channel and like the video so that I know how serious you are about learning Japanese. Let's get started, guys. 1. How to invite someone in Japanese to do something with you. In English, we often ask other people like, would you like to go to the park with me? Or would you like to come to my place? How to say such sentences in Japanese? Well, all of these sentences have 2 things in common. 1, would you like to? 2, with me. So in Japanese, we will use 1, V, masen ka, for would you like to, where V is the verb. 2, issho ni, for with me. Let's try to create example sentences. 1. Would you like to go to the library with me?
私と一緒に図書館に行きませんか？私と一緒に図書館に行きませんか？
Would you like to drink some coffee?
コーヒーを飲みませんか？コーヒーを飲みませんか？
Let's practice more. Would you like to play tennis with me?
一緒にテニスをしませんか？一緒にテニスをしませんか？
Would you like to have lunch with me?
一緒に昼ご飯を食べませんか？一緒に昼ご飯を食べませんか？
Would you like to go to a movie?
映画を見に行きませんか？映画を見に行きませんか？
If you want to invite someone to do something with you, you can say vi masen ka. How to say let's do this in Japanese. We often say let's do it, let's go to the park, let's have some breakfast. We are inviting someone, and we know that they will answer yes. It means inviting someone and expecting that the answer will be yes. But how to invite like this in Japanese? Means let's do this. Let's go to Osaka Castle.
大阪城に行きましょう。大阪城に行きましょ
Let's go to school together tomorrow.
う。明日一緒に学校に行きましょう。明日一緒に学校に行きましょ
Let's practice more. Let's play soccer.
う。サッカーをしましょう。サッカーをしましょ
Let's meet on Monday.
う。月曜日に会いましょう。月曜日に会いましょ
It is even easier and more straightforward than masenka. Just be careful while using it in the sentence. How to grant permissions in Japanese. What if somebody is asking you about something and you want to grant them permission? For example, somebody is asking, "Can I drink that coffee?" and you have to say, "You can drink coffee." How to say this in Japanese? Meaning, yes, you can do that. Now, let's have a look at some examples. You can drink coffee.
う。コーヒーを飲んでもいいです。コーヒーを飲んでもいいです。この魚は生で食べてもいいです。この魚は 生で食べてもいいです。
Now, if you want to ask for permission, suppose you want to take your mom's permission for doing something, what would you say in Japanese? Remember the particle ka? You can put ka at the end of the sentence to create a question. Let's take examples. Are we allowed to park here?
ここに車を止めてもいいですか？ここに車を止めてもいいですか？
Can I open the window?
窓を開けていいですか？窓を開けていいですか？
Is smoking allowed here?
タバコを吸ってもいいですか？タバコを吸ってもいいですか？
Let's do one more. Can I take photos here?
ここで写真を撮ってもいいですか？ここで写真を撮ってもいいですか？
Alright, now you can easily ask and give permission in Japanese. By the way, don't forget to check out the homework section to practice more sentences like this. How to forbid in Japanese. Something is not allowed. If you want to say that this is not allowed by the rule, you can use vi wa ikemasen. It means that you must not do this. Let's look at some examples. Parking is not allowed here.
ここに車を止めてはいけません。ここに車を止めてはいけません。
Children cannot drink beer.
子供はビールを飲んではいけません。子供はビールを飲んではいけません。
Let's practice more. You may not leave trash here.
あそこにゴミを捨ててはいけません。あそこにゴミを捨ててはいけません。
Smoking is not allowed here.
ここでタバコを吸ってはいけません。ここでタバコを吸ってはいけません。
How to express something that is currently being worked on in Japanese. In English, we mostly hear about the present continuous tense. It means that something is happening at the moment, or something is being worked on. But how to say such sentences in Japanese? It shows that something is currently being worked on. Now, let's clear your minds with some examples. I am waiting for you outside.
私は外で待っています。私は外で待っています。
I am studying Japanese.
私は日本語を勉強しています。私は日本語を勉強しています。
My older brother is sleeping now.
今、兄が寝ています。今、兄が寝ています。
Congratulations! You have successfully completed your third lesson, and I am pretty sure that I made it as easy as I could, so that you can start speaking basic Japanese right away. Now, let's call our video off. Do check out how to change V form in the download section, and don't forget to check out the homework section. Watch lessons number 1 and 2 if you haven't seen them yet. Subscribe to this channel and like the video if you think you can easily learn Japanese now. See you in the next lesson.